Nina elders, you knew Prof. Thando Sipuye. How would you describe the sound of his voice? And I'm not just asking for the physical sound. How would, because we have no clue how Mama Sobukwe's voice ever sounded, but we know just from reading and we feel it. But Nina, as the elders who were there, you may have heard the sound of the voice, and when you think back, it may still ring in your heart, in your mind, with the voice of Prof. This was the voice. How would you describe it?
Magnetic. I think this is someone who was magnetic.
You know, the sound of his voice also, can be deduced, from when he was supposed to be the 3 years, in which he was not supposed to be in jail, but in which he was subjected to, got finished. Then this is Parliament, when it was out of session, it had to sit, the Parliament had to sit, and to go and discuss only one subject and about only one man, Robert Mama Zondeni Sobukwe. To say that basically he was the enemy number 1, of the apartheid fascist, state, where Foster even said, that in South Africa there's only one prisoner. When he was asked about the prison, he said there's only one prisoner in South Africa. One political prisoner in South Africa, and that was Robert Mama Zondeni Sobukwe. That he has not repented. But now he was sentenced to 3 years. Does he have to repent to go out when he's been sentenced at the end of the
yes,
yes, they felt that no. Basically, if he can this thing be released, he thinks there will be chaos in South Africa. They thought there will be chaos in South Africa. So people, they were afraid of his voice. But now, his voice, this thing, it echoes, in the whole land, because the aspirations, of our people, the poverty, that you see, these are the kind of things that if he was still around, we might have gone, perhaps overcome it. They were afraid, that is why they say, if there were 2 dogs, there is this kind of dog, that is in chains, that when this time comes that he must get his supper, even if you can just swing a man, it will start celebrating, but there is this jackal, which wanders the fields, the wild terrains, and without being controlled by anybody, the scavenger, and that is the kind of organization Sobukwe wanted to be. PAC shall never come, that nobody outside the PAC can kill the PAC, so Mlambo thought, no, it's only the people in the PAC can kill the PAC. But in the them people said, no, not even the people in the PAC. Yeah. That is why you see today, you hear all the new organizations, you hear even the ruling party today, or the governing party today, is pushed to talk about the land. And this is the land when other prisoners in Robben Island, when they via Espanol, when they were going to Canberra, they would have to pass, even if it was a little bit far, they would take out all, where the PAC, ANC, everybody would take out his, when he passed where the Prof was. Yeah, and then Prof would soil, His relative, they couldn't hear his voice. but the hands were his voice at the junction.
That's and broad smile.